Hello students, this is question number 7 of exercise 13.1 of chapter surface area and volumes of class 9. So, the question is the Shanti sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. So, Shanti sweet stall was placing an order for, they are using cardboard for making boxes, and it is clearly mentioned two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger, it means if there is a bigger one, it means there is a smaller one also. So that these are the dimensions. The bigger of dimensions are 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and the smaller of the dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 into 5 centimeter. Yes, these are the dimensions that are given to us for the bigger box and for the smaller box. Yes, as we know that the sweet boxes are of the cuboid shape. For all the overlaps, if suppose the top is covering, the cardboard is covering, overlapping, the two covers are required. Yes, so 5% of the total surface area is required extra. It means there are two methods. After finding the surface area of this, we find out the 5% of this total surface area and we add to this either this or find the 5 and also 5% of this total surface area, and then after that we add. Either we can do this, or what we can do, first of all we find the total surface area of this, total surface area of the smaller one, then we add and we can get the total surface area. After that we find out 5% of that total surface area and then add to the total surface area. We can get the total complete for the overlapping also, the total surface area. I think the second option is the very quite easy, that two times we need not to calculate the 5% for the different, for the separated this bigger one and for the smaller one also. So for the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, here it is not given per centimeter square, so we have to see this also for 1000 centimeter square. Find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes. So we need to find out the total surface area for the 250 boxes. So let's start with the finding the total surface area for the 250 boxes. First of all, we need to see, as we know that the sweet box is of the cuboid shape. So we have to find out the total surface area. Let the we can write the surface area for bigger box will equal to twice of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the formula for the finding the total surface area. Yes, now what we have to do, we have to just write the dimensions for the bigger one. Yes, L into L is equal to, that is given to us 25 centimeter, breadth is equal to 20 centimeter and the height is equal to 5 centimeter. Yes, these are the dimensions that are given to us. So what we have to do, we have to put this value in the formula. Yes, that is equal to twice of L into B, that is 25 into 20 plus B into H, that is 20 into 5 plus H into L, that is 5 into, that is L, that is 25. Yes, now we have to find out, calculate this twice. 25 into 20, that is equal to 500 plus 5 into 20, that is equal to 100 plus 25 5s are 125, 5s are 25, 2 10 11 12. Yes, now add this, we can get 2 into 725. Yes, and by multiplying this we can get 1450 centimeter square. Yes, so this is for the bigger one. Yes, now let's write the dimensions for smaller one. Yes, so length is equal to here 15 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 12 centimeter, and height is equal to 5 centimeter. Yes. Now these are the dimensions for the smaller one. Again, total surface area we need to find out. The formula will remain same. Yes. Twice of L into B plus breadth into height plus height into length. We need to simply put the values here. So that is equal to L into B, that is equal to 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15. Yes. Now we have to multiply this to, that is twice of 15 into 12, that is equal to 180 plus 12 5s are, that is equal to 60, and 15 5s are, that is equal to 75, and twice of, by adding this we can get 315, and by multiplying we can get 630 centimeter square. So this is the surface area for the smaller one. Yes. Now we have to find out the total surface area. Area for two boxes, bigger one and the smaller one. So what we will do, we will add the surface area for the bigger one, that is 1450, plus the smaller one, that is 630. So we can get 1450 plus 630, that is equal to 2080 centimeter square. Yes. So this is the total surface area after finding the surface area for the bigger one, for the bigger box, and for the smaller box. Yes. Now we have add both the surface area, we have find out the total surface area. Yes. Now according to the question, the question says that 5% for the all the overlap, 5% of the total surface area is also required. Yes. So we need to find out the total surface area for the 5%. Yes. So 5% of total surface area, that is equal to, see, 5% of total surface area that we have already find out, that is 2080. Yes. So 2080, that is equal to 5 upon 100 into 2080, that is equal to 5 to the 10, that is equal to 104. Yes. Yes. Now we have to add this to the total one, so we can get the total surface area with extra for the extra overlap also. So we have complete total surface area by adding the overlaps also, that is equal to 2080 plus 5%, that is 104, and we can get 2184 centimeter square. Yes. So this is the total surface area for the two boxes by adding overlaps also. Now the question is, find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes and the condition they have given if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. Yes. So according to the question, for 1000 centimeter square is equal to rupees 4. Yes. So 1 centimeter square is will equal to 4 upon 1000. Yes. So we have total, that is 2184 centimeter square, 2184 centimeter square. So instead of 1 centimeter square, we can put 4 upon 1000, and see, we have to find out for the 250 boxes. Yes. So cost of boxes, even we can say 250 boxes, cost of 250 boxes as 1000 centimeter square is of rupees 4 is equal to, see, the total 250 and the total surface area of the smaller and the bigger one is, that is 2184, and the cost is per centimeter square, that is 4 upon 1000. Yes. Now we need to simply solve this. Yes, so we have to calculate this. 0 is cancelled out by this 0. 25 ones are and 25 fours are 100, and 4 is cancelled out, and we have got the same, that is rupees 2184. This is the cost of 250 boxes. Yes, the condition given, that is the 1000 centimeter is of rupees 4, and so 1 centimeter square will equal to 4 upon 1000. Yes, and we have to find out for the 250. This is the total surface area only for the sheet that is required for the bigger one and the smaller one box. Yes, so that is for the one, but we need to find out such type of 250 boxes. Yes, so we need to multiply by the 250 and the cost, so we can get the cost for the 250 boxes. I hope it is very clear. Let's revise fast again. This is the question that we have two bigger boxes, two boxes, one is bigger one and one is smaller one, and the sheet, the cardboard that is required, that is for the overlapping 5% of the total surface area as it is, and we have to find out after this the cost of cardboard, the complete cardboard that is required for the smaller, bigger, overlap, and 1000 centimeter is of rupees 4. We need to find out for the 250 boxes. Yes, so we have find out only for the one box first, that for the bigger one first of all we have find out the area, so total surface area for the bigger one by using the surface area for the cuboid one, because the sweet box is of the cuboid shape, and the smaller one, the dimensions are different only. By adding we can get the total cardboard, the area of the total cardboard for the one box when the one bigger one is inside. So yes, so these are the thing that we have find out already, that the area for this and this. Then we need to find out the total surface area by adding these areas, and after that we have to find out the 5% of the total surface area that we have find out for the total surface area, that is 104. We have add to the total surface area. Now we have got the total surface area including overlaps also. Yes, now the cost we need to find out according to the question. 1 centimeter square is of 4 upon 1000, and we have to need to find out for the 250, so we have multiplied by 250 into the cost per centimeter square. We have got this rupees 2184. I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you.